answer the question. How to see the trail of the sprite? Anyone?
By using pen block.
Yes, very good. By using pen block, right? I can't remember the pen block palette I explained or not in last session.
No, sir.
Right. I'm going to explain the pen block, right? Pen block, right? The pen blocks used to trail of the sprite, right? The pen blocks, that is, I'm going to use the trail of the sprite. The sprite will move here to here, right? We can't see the trail of the sprite. Therefore, we are using the pen block. The sprite, we want to show the trail of the sprite. Therefore, we are going to use pen block, right? Before that, I want to clear this session. After this variable and operators sensing sample, I'm going to explain you how to use the pen block, right? I clear with it, and variables I clear with it. Anyone have any doubts? If you have, please ask me. Please ask. Feel free to ask. I'm explaining again if you have doubts. Anyone? Are you all clear? Are you all clear with it? With this one? With this?
Yes, sir.
If you have any doubts, please feel free to ask me. I will show you again. I will explain again. Right. I think there is no doubts in this. So I'm going to the next session. Right. After next session, simplify this one. Right. What is variable? Variable used to store something, right? What is variable? Variable is used to store something, the numbers or string. String, what do you mean by string? String called as the letters. Let us apply the string in here. Number, normally number. In letters, in the programming, we are calling as string. We are not telling the letters. In programming session, we are calling as string, right? What is the variable? Variable is store something, its number or string. Store something at once, right? When you store something one time, it store the value, right? When you going to store second time in the same variable, it store the last one. It replace the last one and store. First one will be deleted and second one will be stored the same variable, right? We can choose numbers. Also, we can store into this one string as well, right? Now I'm going to change this, right? What is your first name, right? Now we discussed the number, right? It can store numbers, also it can store the string as well, right? I'm going to show you how to store string. And what is your first name, it asks you, and you are going to enter your name, this one, right? when you click flag icon, ask what is your first name. The sprite going to ask you what is your first name, right? You are going to enter your first name, and this variable going to store your answer into number one variable, right? You can choose first name, last name, anyone, any name you can choose to this variable, right? Going to make a new variable first name, and okay, this variable will comes here, and you can drag and drop to here. Sorry, you can add the set variable into this arrow key and press arrow, and you can choose the what's that first name option, right? You can choose any variable, right? Now I am going to show you how to store the same variable different inputs. First time I choose you number one variable to store number. Now I'm going to show you the same variable will be store some string, right? You can choose first name or variable options also, right? It doesn't matter whatever you choose. Now I choose the same for your clarification, for your doubts. We can choose the same variables and different inputs, different, right? First time I store the number into number one. Now I'm going to store some string into same variable, right? It asks what's your first name. When you are going to enter your first name, it set number one variable into this answer, right? This answer into store number one variable, and ask you again what is your second name, sorry, last name. What is your last name, right? And the same, what is that? The same variable store your answer, second name. And after that, right, adding here, how to add operators, right? And join, this is comparison, we use this comparison operators. Under this we are going to add something first name and last name. Therefore I don't need to use operators in this program. No need to comparison something. Therefore you want to join something first name and last name. Therefore this is not suitable in here, right? I want to join, sorry, this is not suitable here, right? This is not suitable here because this is not comparison method. So this operators not suitable this program. I going to delete this one, right? Delete it. I want to choose something first name and last name, right? Set total into this one, right? Set total to join, what is that, variable one, number one, and number two, right? Simple. I have some internet problem in here. Can anyone see my desktop?
Can't, sir.
I have some internet problem. Can anyone see now? Can everyone see?
Yes.
Right. Now set the total to under the total variable to join number 1 and number 2, right? Join this one, number 1 variable and number 2 variable I want to join. After that I want to say the answer, right? When I didn't choose the say answer option, the answer doesn't say by the sprite, right? Run this program. First name John. What is your first name? I going to type John. Press enter. See the first. See the number 1 variable will be changed by John, right? I'm going to enter the number 1 store as John. What is your last name? Last name will be stored to number 2 variable. Last name Robin, and press enter. It's save second number variable as Robin, and total, what is the total? John Robin, right? John Robin, right? But I want to say, this sprite want to say the name, right? So I want to add to this option and change the 5 seconds. I want to say, what do you want to say? I want to say the total variable, right? Total variable. Now I'm going to enter Andrew and John. Press enter. The sprite tell Andrew and John as well, right? Are you clear? Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Just an example I show you, because because I set the number 1 number 2 total variable for your doubts, because we can store number or string whichever these variables, right? You can add first name variable, and you also set second name variable, right? Choose full name variable, right? You can set this one, set the first name variable, right? You can choose this one as second name variable. What's that? You want to see full name variable, right? This is replaced by this, right? Then I'm going to enter, but this doesn't work here because I didn't use first number, second number, and total. I didn't use, right? See the sample. First name Surya, second name enter, say total, because I want to change this one also, right? Sorry for that. When I click ask first name and store the first name into here, answer as first name, and after that it asks the last name and store the answer into second name variable, and I have to show the full name. What is the full name? I want to choose join together, but in this case join together number 1 and number 2, right? Therefore the number 1 and number 2, the answer is here. I want to change the joining together. What is the variable we have to join in here? First name variable, and second name variable, right? second name variable. After that, it have to show the full name variable, right? Not a total variable. I want to show full name variable. Variable. Variable calls whatever we can store, right? Whatever we can store, the numbers or string, that is called variable. Variable calls store something, right? Store something, numbers or string. Variables calls store something, numbers or string, that is called variable, right? This is not using when I input first name and store first name variable, second name variable, and I want to show the into first name variable, second name variable have to store full name variable and show first name, join first name and second name and say full name O by second. Now this is will change. I'm going to present it says what's your first name, and press enter. See the first name variable, it will replace Kumar, first name Kumar, right? First name Kumar and second name Lakmal, and enter the Lakmal option, first name and second name Lakmal and full name Kumar Lakmal, right? It is a variable, right? Are you clear with it? Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm going to show you the pen block, right? Now I'm going to clear this one, right? I'm going to set the new one, right? This block palette has these tools only. Okay, this block palette has these tools only. There is no pen tool, right? There is no pen tool. So I want to add the new tool by clicking the add extension option, right? This is the extension option, right? Only have this tools. This block palette has these tools only. I want to add the pen tool, right? So you have to go to this add extension option and click on it. It will be show you the additional add-ons, right? Additional extension, you will add this one. Now I'm going to choose pen option, right? It has music, video sensing method, right? It has lots of additional option. I'm going to choose pen option. And when I'm going to click on it, the pen option will be comes here, right? Pen option. How to use the pen option, right? First of all, you have to add pen start, right? After that, we can choose pen option, right? Pen down option will be draw the trail of the sprite. Pen down option will be draw the sprite of the trail, sorry, trail of the sprite, and you have to add the pen down option, and after that you have to do something, right? 100 steps, right? I want to move 100 steps. When I click button, pen down option, you want to pen down. I want to show the trail of the sprite and move 10 steps. When I click, it will move 10 steps by trail. See, the trail option will be work, right? It shows you the path, that shows you the trail of the sprite. It shows you can change the pen color, right? Under this pen option, see, erase all. When I going to this one, erase all, right? Pen option, pen down, pen up, pen color we can change, pen size we can change, right? I'm going to change the pen color, right? Normally the pen color is blue. When I click the pen color blue, right, default color is blue. Move 100 steps and change the pen color into red, red. Move 100 steps again, right? 100 steps again and press enter, right? First 100 blue, second 100 red. This is the program I have done, right? And clear all. It's clear, right? Now I want to change this one, and when I click pen down and move 200 steps, right? Pen down blue color and it will move from here to here 200 steps, and I have to rotate, turn, right, 90-degree and change the pen color to red and move 200 steps again, and after that change the, after that turn, right, after that turn again 90-degree and change the color, change the color, change the color to yellow. After that I want to duplicate this here and duplicate this here, right? See, clear, clear. Is this program, when I going to click pen down option will start, pen down default color blue start, and blue color draw 200 steps, the trail of the sprite 200, move the 200 steps, so 200 steps trail will be blue, and after that the sprite will turn 90-degree and set the pen color to red, and red pen color will move, will row the 200 steps again and turn 90-degree and set the pen color as green, right, green, and draw 200 steps again and turn 90-degree and change the color into yellow, and to move again 200 steps and turn 90-degree and change the color again. I don't want to clear this, change the color again, When I'm going to run this sample, see that it's draw the color, right? First one 200, and the sprite turn 90 degree and goes up, and turn 90 degree and go right to left and turn 90 degree and top to bottom. It makes a circle, sorry, it makes a square, right? It makes a square. And wait a minute, we can't see the sprite movement, we can't see computer, because computer works very fastly, programming works, it's very fast, right? We can't see the sprite movement. Therefore I am going to add the delay, right? I want to add the delay method. I want to stay wait 10 seconds, right? Sorry, under the control option, wait 1 second, right? Pen down and move 20 and wait 5 seconds. Also the 90 degree and 200 steps, wait 5 seconds and 200 steps and wait 5 seconds. Also wait 5 seconds, right? Clear all. Press all, and I'm going to drop this right and change the direction. The next 40 minutes going to end within 10 minutes. After end this session, please join again. Something on here, right? When I'm going to press enter, this going to from here to here and wait 5 seconds and turn 90 degree, and here wait 5 seconds and turn 90 degree again and go to here and turn 90 degree again and going to from here to here, right? I clear? And after that I want to turn 90 degree again, right? It comes default way, right? This is the pen trial, right? Now I don't need to write the steps again and again. When clicked, pen down 200 steps, again 5 seconds, again 90 degree, and change the color option. Only change the different changes, right? Pen color change red, green, yellow, purple. Only this one also change again, and sorry, this one only changed. Others, other tools doesn't change. So we no need to type, no need to add this option again and again. That's why the control option we have repeat. otherwise you can use forever, right? In this case I want to repeat 4 times the same thing. I want to repeat 4 times, therefore I'm going to remove this option, right, and erase all this option. I want to, when I clicked the pen down start blue color and move 200 steps and wait 5 seconds and turn 90-degree and pen down, pen color changed, right, and draw again, repeat, right, repeat how many times, 4 times. I want to 4 times, 4 times, right. It will change the red color, right, because I changed the 4 times, right. When I clicked one time, second time, third time, fourth time, and turn again. Right. Are you clear? No need to type this again and again and again. This is the easy way. Repeat, repeating option. Are you clear with it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyone have any doubts? If you have any doubts, please ask me. I'm going to end this session. No doubts, right? I'm going to choose some one more sample to this pen down option, right? I want to choose new one, right? Pen down option, right? See, I'm going to start one more program when click the flag icon, right? And forever method. I'm using forever method because I want to choose this option, choose the condition have to do again and again. So, right, when clicked and go to X motion, go to X in this here, right? I'm going to move the X is 0 and Y axis 0. It will be go to the center, right? This condition, the sprite will move to center and pen down option. I'm going to choose pen down option. Pen down will be draw the trail of the sprite and move 150, move 150 steps. Sample, right, same 200 steps and change pen color by 10, right? How to change the pen color? Last session I changed the pen color to random, to the specific color, right? Now I'm going to change the pen color by, right, change the pen color by, change the pen color by 10. Last time I changed the pen color, the manual changed method, pen color now automatically change the pen color by 10 and turn 1 degree. I want to turn the sprite 1 degree, motion block and turn. I want turn left turn, and I want to change the 1 degree, right? And going to enter, it goes to center, right? It's going to center, right? This is the method. Go to x is 0, y axis is 0. Now I'm going to this one and press enter, going to this one, and also it This is the trail of the sprite. Also draw the trail. I'm going to put here and drag one. This, see the trail in here to here trail, and change the color and 10. Change the color and by 10, right? Move here and here, change the trail and move the color by 10, right? Erase it, resolve, and I want to do again and again, right? Resolve, right? I'm going to fix it here. I want to this steps forever, again and again, right? I'm going to for a method, right? There is no stop in for a method, right? When I click the button, see, right? I'm going to stop this and clear all. I'm going to change the movement steps 150 steps and clear method also, right? Clear all here and start here. And when I press the go button, when I press the flag button, the sprite will move to 0 axis to 0 axis, x axis 0, y axis 0. Enter, x axis 0, y axis 0. Center to this one. And after that it will clear all and move again. Right? Stop. When I click clear all, when I click clear all, and after work again, clear all and again. Stop. This is the program. When I going to click the flag icon, erase all. First time erase everything. After that, this condition